in conversation with Palvinder Pali. Okay, so you were talking about like oily skin, dry skin and all. How to find what type of a skin we have?
Okay, without any use anything, right? Like night time to sleep with the just wash with the water and clear skin here. You don't apply anything on the night time.
Okay.
When you wake up in the morning, you look your face.
Okay.
If you feel that his nose is oily, then it means your nose is oily.
Okay.
Some people have a nose and a forehead and the chin is oily. That means the T-zone is oily and cheeks are dry.
Okay.
So that one is a combination skin. Okay, so some have totally face is oily, that is oily. If you feel dryness in a wake up, because whole night you don't apply anything.
Okay.
Or either if you 1 or 2 days you can try on these things. So then you know that is what kind of skin is you have.
Okay.
And it goes with the change with the weather as it also.
Okay.
So because if we are staying in a hot place, like then his feel is a sweaty and just oily bit. If we are in stay in a hilly areas, then is sometime we feel the dry face.
Yeah.
So it's all, even if some dry area also feel the oily skin. So it's only when you wake up and then you can try check all that properly. Yeah,
So I actually thought the whole face will be oily means the whole face is oily.
Yes.
Dry means the whole face is very dry. But it's not like that, right?
Yeah, in
So
some
of the
areas,
parts-
some part of the oily and some part of the dry also have.
Okay.
It's like that.
Oh, it's actually
Yes.
news to me. I
Yeah.
didn't know.
No, some even sweaty also. Some people have only the lips area is sweat and nose area is sweat, the other part no sweating.
Okay.
So it's also like that, also have. So
Okay.
it's everybody has a different kind of skin.
Okay. Okay. We use a primer, right? Why do we use a primer?
Primer is actually give us a smoothness for the face texture. Then after that, when we apply the foundation, and it easily spread and all the things. And
So it easily
because
merges.
smooth,
because-
yes,
okay.
it's smooth gives us a look. Is very smooth.
Okay. Like anything special to do for an Indian skin tone?
Indian skin tone is a quite. It's nothing is like that Indian skin tone or a foreigner skin tone. I always say that is a skin tone is even Indian have so many different skin tones.
Okay.
So we don't think to go on there the tones. It's all tones is for ours. It's just if you have a clear face, it's a good and a healthy skin. If you have a pimple, acne and wrinkle lines, that we need to be care of our skin.
Okay.
And makeup always is there is for the all countries have a same tones is like Indian tones also we there also have.
Yeah.
So it's not
They
like
have
Indian
their own
tones.
issues.
Their
Foreigners,
own
they have their
issues.
own issues.
Yeah, they have a fairer skin, but they have so much sunburns, things and all. Just it depends on the healthy skin.
Okay.
So we need a healthy skin. It's a whatever. It's a darker, it's a lighter color. But if we
Doesn't
are a
matter.
healthy skin, we are have a good skin.
Okay. We need to do like a lot of eye makeups and all, How to smudge properly the eye makeup?
Actually, for the smudging has a brush, proper brushes. Then when we use the brush, we need to be a bit softer on that. Our hand is in a soft hand.
Okay.
Not is like hard hand. We use very soften hand.
Okay.
Like
So the
just
brush
like
with
that
the
brush.
soft bristles.
Soft. There is some smudging brushes. There very
Okay.
soft bristle is there.
Okay.
And we use to hand is also very softly like
Okay.
smudging.
Gently.
Very gentle, very gentle, very
Okay.
very gentle because it's the eyes. First thing
Yes.
is the eyes, and second way we need to merge two colors or smudge that one color on that eyes on that. So we like this,
Okay.
not like this. So it's
So do it
very
gently.
very gentle. So
Okay.
it gives good result.
Okay.
Because when we do very hard, fast and harsh, then it colors goes from there and it comes
True, true.
not smudging looks good.
You get like patches.
Patches or a lines comes. So for that soften.
Okay. So that's it. Then does a matured skin, like some people might have a matured skin, look matured look or something. Is it possible to make them look younger with the makeup and all?
Yeah, of course. There is so many high efficiencies makeup are there.
Okay.
So we use for them is that one. Which one is we will cover the wrinkles,
Okay.
we cover the blemishes, we will change the face tones and all the things. So they will look so young.
Okay.
There is so many.
Even is it possible to cover the sagging skin, extra skin and all, flabby skin?
That one also have, but that is a
difficult, right?
not a bit difficult. It's a high efficiency one. So
Okay.
if you go to that is a sagging skin one, you want to be look young. There is a products are there like that. So we will use. But yes, of course, you feel like that. There are few percent you can see the change.
Some they might have double chin and all. No?
That one we can do contouring is a finish that contour that
Mm.
we use a contouring.
Still you can cover.
Yeah, cover the double chin. Double chin we can contour.
Okay. Wow. Super.
Mm.
So, is there a simple makeup? Is there a technique for simple makeup? Some tips or something?
Yeah, for the simple makeup, like when we are going to office daily based and like that. So we want to use the foundation is I told you as a one tone is a brighter only, so not much brighter one.
Okay.
And we will use the lip color is a nude lip color.
Mhm.
It's like peach color you can use, light pink shade you can use,
Mhm.
and even light and brown color also you can use on that. And you just put on the kajal if you are a kajal person or eyeliner only. So this is a basic makeup where you don't need to go to the further so many things.
Okay. And one more extra question. How do you choose the correct color for the lipstick? Because I bought like three colors, three different colors. You know, I felt all three colors doesn't match me. So, is there any particular color to choose, like which will suit us properly?
Okay, if some people say that is we have a dark skin and we should not go to the dark color.
Okay.
It's not like that.
Okay.
If you have a dark color, maroon color goes very nicely to you. And the red color also you can choose. Is a bright color also looks give us a nice.
Okay.
But is a yes, if you want to see that dark shade is a dark chocolate color will apply, then it's not suit on them.
Mm.
So that time you can go to the nude color also. It's look nicer.
Okay. So darker means a little maroon color or
Yes.
lighter shade you have to go for.
Maroon or lighter also you can use.
Mm.
But it's a yes. Sometimes we will see that it's not. You feel like that is not good for you because you don't like that color much.
Okay. So
But it's a not in the
personal
other opinion is maybe they are suit. So you can ask to your husband, yeah, how I look today, or you
Okay.
can ask your kids now.
buying makeup products, so which brand you have to be really you have to go for an expensive brand, or you have to choose like all the makeup products from the same brand, or you can mix and match. Like how do you choose your makeup products?
Really, I will simply say that it's not. My first thing is all brand not make all the things.
Okay.
Some brand make only eyeshadows and lip colors.
Okay.
Like that, but it's some making also. But I'm not choosing like that. Yeah, I need to this brand. I will go MAC and all the products on MAC one or Sephora one. Not like that. I choose according to colors what I want, what things I required, and it's what kind of that kind of the have makeup tips and all the things, because it's sometimes it's a lip color is very expensive, and same lip color I can choose in other brand is some reasonable price.
Yes.
So I will not go with the same. If same things I'm taking the normal price, then I will pay for that
Correct.
extra. And this is a really skin matter, so something we think about that. Oh, expensive products are good. It's not like that.
We have to try and see.
We
right?
are trying and
We are
see.
allergic or something.
Yes, some people have a allergic with the other products. Have even very expensive products they don't use it.
Yes.
They bought and one time use. They said don't not use.
Yeah.
Because they also don't know what kind of skin they have. They
Yes,
not
yes,
use on according to skin also.
Uh-huh.
But like that is a lip color. In these days we are wearing a mask, right? So I prefer the Maybelline one.
Okay.
Maybelline is a long time to stay there,
Okay.
and it's a matte finishing. That is a not comes on your mask.
Okay. Yeah.
So,
Oh,
like that
so it doesn't
also-
stick to your mask.
Yes, they don't give any
Okay.
mark on your mask.
Okay.
Mask.
Yeah.
So now it is the mask time. So we are wearing because
Yes,
when we
yes.
remove, then we feel not. If we don't apply, then we feel not nice. Also, other makeup we done and don't done.
Mm.
So that time I will use the Maybelline one.
Okay.
and I like the Sephora products as well also. But mostly base I'm using to the cosmetologist things I use from the Krylon one.
Okay.
It's a UK based
Any
product.
Indian
and
products also you use?
yeah, Lakme I
Lakme,
use.
right?
Yes,
Yes.
Lakme
I
I'm
like the
using.
Kajal one.
Yeah, Lakme and Kajal also good. And I Lotus Kajal is also very good. It's not be merging on that as some people say that, oh
What
my
is that?
god.
Lotus.
Lotus.
Oh, okay.
It's a very eco price one that is good.
Okay.
So that means I can't say that yeah, high price is always in the market is with everything. But it depends on that
Yeah,
how
we can
the
mix and
quality
match,
is.
we can
Yes.
try.
It's not for the money wise, but things are good, I buy.
Okay.
It does not matter the price.
Okay. So, do you have any luck now? You can just share with the audience whatever projects you had worked till now, and what are the projects, future projects. If anybody can join, also you can just tell them, share
Yeah,
them.
sure. Recently, I done the 2 Malayalam movies. Which one is coming on soon? That is a short movies. One is a 7, and then other one is also Malayalam movie. Even I don't know the language of the Malayalam, but yeah, what they tell me, do the makeup according to the requirement. I done for them. Hope you
So
can
it was,
see on that.
the shooting was in India or here?
In Singapore. In Singapore also the short movies are there, and the
Okay,
directors
okay.
and all the things. Before that I will do the SBS Sasbo and Sandwich series. There she just got a UK from the UK awarded.
Okay.
Then we will awarded also. We get
Okay.
award that one also.
Okay.
And recently is my more big project is coming on. It's already advertisement
Yes.
start on the Colors TV is a bridal show, which one is a telecast on the Color TV after the show. So all are welcome. Even makeup artist can come, and then hairstylist also welcome. Models are
Yeah, if
also
you're
welcome.
interested,
If
you
they are
can join.
interested, they can come and join us. It is going to on the end of March. So it's a big platform I will provide for the
Yeah, I'll
models and
share
all
the
things.
poster with you all.
Yes, we will share.
Yes, yes.
So this is the main, and my future goals are, yes, always people want to be that ki people know that ki I'm doing these things and that things. Yes, my goal is that ki I will do something in special effects makeup, like which one is we are using for the big movies, like cutting scene, fighting scenes, and all are it's my passions. Is the makeup is not only for that make you up so beautiful.
Correct.
Sometimes my makeup people do ugly as well because it all depends on the
Yeah,
demand or according to the roles.
Yes, yes.
So it's a makeup is not like that every time make beauty.
Yes, definitely.
So,
Even that is talent, that is also
Yeah,
makeup.
so that is
Also
I
makeup.
love that kind because that one is a they will give us in a few minutes sometime before that only, and sometimes they will always also tell, but because demands on the short time,
Yes,
so they
yes,
will
yes.
let, then we will do on that things. And this one is very challenging job, and I
Yes.
accept challenge. I love to accept challenge. So it's my main motive is that I will do good in something in a big screen.
That's good. Really interesting. Sounds interesting.
Thank you so much.
And wish you all the very best of luck
Thank
for
you.
all your future projects.
Thank you, dear. Thank you,
And
Surya.
congrats for all the awards you have done, you have got,
Thank you,
and
yes.
whatever job you have done. You did a great job guiding all of us in the model contest.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So sweet of you to
Thank
come
you.
over here and do this interview for me. And it was so
you.
nice
You
talking
are
to you.
also so nice, Ramya. So we met on the one platform,
Yes,
is the
yes,
CLF
yes,
for
yes.
online model
Yes,
Mega
yes,
2020. That times all you are a new faces for me, but
Yes, yes.
now we are like very close.
Very close friends.
So
Yes.
that's good, nice.
True, true. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank
Ramya.
you. Palvinder is currently working in this project called Conceptual Bridal Makeover. If you are an aspiring model or a sponsor, please contact the numbers shown below. The numbers are also given in the description box below.